So this is the Realme P4. This smartphone is currently the trending smartphone in the budget segment. From NDTV to 91 mobiles, everyone is saying that it is the best smartphone on a budget. So I bought one and let's see if those words are real or not. So as you can see here, this is the box you'll be getting when you purchase this smartphone. And it kind of reminds me the Poco's signature black and yellow combo. It's neat, sturdy with the model number given in these big bold letters. So on its back, you can see the list of important features this smartphone has. So it comes with this Dimensity 7400 chipset along with Hypervision AI, a 144Hz display, and a whopping 7000 mAh battery. So yeah, these are some of the standout features of the smartphone, and truth to be told, this is one of the most capable processor for a budget phone segment. And it is built on TSMC's 4nm architecture. And this might be the reason why a lot of budget smartphones are trying to include this processor in a smartphone. Moving on, let's do the unboxing and see what's inside in it. Shall we? So the first thing that you see inside this box is this neat packaging with these words written, "Make it real," which is actually the tagline of Realme products. So inside this packaging, you'll get to see this warranty card, quick guide, SIM ejector tool, and this transparent case, all neatly wrapped up in this plastic cover. I'm actually really disappointed with this case given in this box here. So these type of cases are prone to change color quickly. And that's actually the reason why I don't like these type of phone cases at all. I think Realme should replace these with the new grey type of silicone cases given in Redmi and Poco smartphones. I actually never thought I would see this type of transparent plastic cases again in a phone box. A big letdown for me here with this case. So moving on, you will see the phone itself neatly wrapped in this plastic cover. So let's put the phone aside and see what we'll be getting inside the box, and then we will come back again. So after the smartphone, you will see the 80-watt adapter and a Type-A to Type-C cable at the bottom of the box. I mean, let's be honest here. The Type-A to Type-C format for me is a total letdown. I mean, most brands are nowadays slowly shifting towards Type-C to Type-C, which makes this more outdated. Also, since it is an 80-watt charger, a Type-C to Type-C cable would have made much more sense, I guess. But on the bright side, the good part is that you're still getting the charger inside the box, which many brands don't even offer anymore. So let's put that aside and check out the smartphone, shall we? So when I opened this cover, the first thing I observed is this orange dot. I actually don't understand why Realme gave this, because for me it looks a bit tacky and the design kinda resembles the Sigmatel smartphone back in the 90s. This dot was actually given in sync with the color of unlock button. They both have the same color, but for some reason I really like the color of this unlock button more than this dot. So moving on, the first thing I observed in this smartphone is how lightweight it is. I think it is actually close to 185 grams. Holding it in my hand feels like it is feather light, and I absolutely loved that feeling. Because don't forget, this is a budget smartphone actually. So the chances of finding this much lighter smartphone in this segment are slim to none. I genuinely think this is the kind of smartphone that can make you forget it's even in your pockets as well. So that's it for now. I'll be sharing my full review after using the smartphone for at least a week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech reviews and unboxing videos like these.